Artificial intelligence is about to change everything. It might destroy our jobs, dominate the world, and even turn our brains into toasters. Well, at least that's the fun part I like to think about. But before you start to panic and throw your phone out the window, just wait a second. Today, we're going to explore what will really happen in the next 30 years with AI. Spoiler alert, expect waifus, robots, and yes, maybe a bit of chaos along the way. But don't worry, it's all organized in a quick timeline so you won't miss anything important. Let's dive in. First milestone, in 4 years. If you're not using AI in your work, I'm sorry, but the future is not yours. The phrase of the moment will be, AI won't replace specialists, but specialists with AI will replace those without AI. It's like one person is using a superpower while the other is trying to use a fax machine. With AI taking over boring and repetitive tasks, those who know how to use it will be the true corporate ninjas. You know what's worse? If you don't learn now, in 4 years, your boss might be an AI. So if you're not on the side of AI, good luck, because it's like trying to fight a war with a sword while the other side has lasers. Spoiler, you're going to lose. Now, in 8 years, say goodbye to the little art of marketing. Those jingles that stick in your head for days, created by AI. The ad texts that you don't even realize are manipulating you, AI too. And not only that, we will also start to see an increasing problem regarding fake news and misinformation. Machines will be so good at creating stories that we won't know what's real anymore. Get ready for a cyber battle. What is real? What isn't? It will be true chaos in the Matrix. Now this is the part that will divide opinions. Waifus plus AI will be a huge success. Yes, you heard that right. In the future, there will be people more involved with a 100% AI-generated digital girlfriend than with real humans. It's the love of the future, my friends. Because after all, who needs real communication when your waifu responds exactly how you want? I know, it's kind of bizarre, but don't underestimate the human ability to form bonds with virtual characters. I just hope that the arguments are easier to handle, because if even your digital girlfriend's algorithm blocks you, then that's really the end. Now, in 20 years, let's talk about robots. Yes, that scene from science fiction movies where AI controls a robotic body isn't so far off. Imagine an AI that not only thinks, but also walks, talks, and, well, makes your pizza while you watch Netflix. And the best part? No order mistakes. Because in the future, getting the pizza flavor wrong will be considered a crime against humanity. And last but certainly not least, forget the phrase, AI will condemn us all. No, no, no. In 30 years, we will have AI integrated into all devices, and shockingly, directly into our brains. Yes, we will literally become one with AI. Goodbye, Homo sapiens. Hello, Homo symbiontus, or as I like to call it, the Nerds 2.0. Just imagine, you'll be scrolling through TikTok, directly with your mind. Dangerous? Maybe. But think of the time you'll save by not having to use your phone to see memes. So folks, that's it. In 30 years, we will be part AI. We'll have robots serving pizza. We'll go through digital relationships, and our brains will be connected to the network. But relax, we'll still be fighting for likes on Instagram, because deep down, the only thing that never changes is our ability to mess things up with technology. Until then, see you on the cyber side. Good luck out there in the cyber future. See you at the Singularity. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment. What do you think will dominate first? AI in the office, robots, or digital waifus? Let's see if you're ready for the future.